Rule 13 reminds every watchkeeper that the overtaking vessel must always keep clear. Maintain awareness, judge the approach, and make your intentions steady and certain. Let's understand this. Rule 13 and safe. Overtaking at sea.
Overtaking vessels. A vessel is considered overtaking if it is approaching another vessel anywhere within a 135-degree sector at its stern. This sector is drawn between above two lines. Each line is 22.5 degrees aft of the beam on either side of the vessel to be overtaken. At night, the overtaking vessel can see only the stern light of the vessel being overtaken. It will not be able to see the side lights. If it sees the side lights first, then it is not an overtaking situation. Every ship that is overtaking must not come in the way of vessel being overtaken. An overtaking vessel has the responsibility of keeping clear. Once it has overtaken, it cannot alter course and claim to be a crossing vessel.